Something already came out. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a different vlog because I'm gonna be doing my first unboxing.
Yeah.
The other day, my husband called me and he said, watch the front door because there's gonna be a delivery coming from Best Buy. So in my mind, I thought it was a PS5 because he's been really wanting to get that PS5, but we really couldn't get it. So I thought it was PS5, but then it was actually a smaller box. I was expecting a big and a heavy box, but it's not. It's actually a smaller box and a lighter box. So here it is. So this is what I got from the delivery yesterday. It's from Best Buy. It's actually lighter.
That's my PS5.
No, of course. Okay, my husband's in the background with my son, of course. So this is not a PS5 because it's lighter. Like you can think, right? Something is inside that's smaller than a PS5. Without further ado, we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. Cause this is his present for my birthday. It's not a PS5, but I'm pretty sure it's a good one. He always surprises me though. That's one thing that I really appreciate from him.
Happy wife, happy life.
He said happy wife, happy life. Okay, without so much talking, we're gonna see what's inside. So guys, this is my first unboxing vlog. Something already came out. First one that came out of the box. So the first one that came out of the box is SanDisk 4K Extreme Pro SDXC UHS 1 card, 128GB with speed up to 170 MB per S. I know it's a memory card, it's understood. Okay, so that's the first one that came out of the box. You can see, okay? It's starting to come out from the least important to the most important. Next one is... It's actually attached. It's like they're bonded together. That means you really need to buy this together. So the next one is, you can see it says here, Vlogger Kit. Okay. We'll start with a smaller package. I'm just not too expressive, but you can tell I'm really happy deep inside. Yay! In this box was another box with 64 gig Sony SD card. I think you got the deal because if you buy this alone, this will cost you $139 US.
Adding up with just $10 to your budget, totaling $149 US is already a steal. The Best Buy SONY Vlogger Kit comes with a Sony shooting grip with wireless remote commander, already includes a Sony 4K SDXC UHS 2 card, 64GB with speed up to 270 MB per S. Attached to the box is a pairing guide to help you connect your wireless shooting grip to your desired Bluetooth camera. So in the box there's a CR2032 replaceable battery, the shooting grip with wireless remote commander itself, the user manual in which is also translated in several different languages, and of course a little black Sony pouch to store and protect your shooting grip when it's not in use. So to give you guys a quick overview of the Sony shooting grip with wireless remote commander, the top one is your camera mounting screw where you're going to attach your camera. A little underneath it is your camera mounting wheel where you're going to lock and secure your camera and obviously prevent it from dropping. Next is your flip button which flips around your mounted camera on a full 360 degrees angle. On the left side is your angle adjusting button which simply adjusts the angle of the grip. On the opposite side is the adjustment wheel, and this adjusts the feel for changing the angle of the grip. In the back is where you're going to find the battery chamber lid. For you to take pictures, press the photo button. To take videos, press the movie button. The lock switch disables the remote commander function to prevent unintentional camera operations. This is the indicator, the zoom button, and the C1 button.
Then you can also use this as tripod. Like you can see when you're like vlogging and you just want to do a steady vlogging, you can just put it on the table and hold the camera there.
So how does it work? You can click it through the gimbal?
I don't know, you're the one who bought this, right?
I don't know, I just clicked.
Oh, okay. It says here it's Bluetooth. It wirelessly controls your camera's zoom, capture, and record functions.
Okay.
And it says C1. I honestly don't know what C1 yet. I might tell you more details about it when I get a hang of it. But for now, it says C1. C1 button on the grip recalls the paired camera's C1 custom button function. And it says here fully enclosed, cable-free grip design keeps dust and moisture out. So what really this is, it's like a gimbal kind of for Sony camera. So that's part of the unboxing that we have today. So moving on to the bigger box.
The PlayStation 5.
Moving on. Exciting.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy, of course. So this is what my husband got me, okay? It's called SONY a7c. C means it's compact. The world's smallest and lightest mirrorless full frame camera. Talking about the price of this one, body alone is $1,700 US. They call it SONY a7c kit, which comes with a lens. I really think you need a very nice lens for this one. Honestly guys, I was not really expecting that my husband will buy this for me because a couple of weeks ago it had been raining really hard. It had severe thunderstorms for so many days and it did flood our basement. So I was really not expecting for him to buy me the expensive camera. For you it might not be expensive, but for me this is really a pricey camera. But I'm so thankful. You just don't know how happy I am deep inside. Because I'm finally gonna be using a good camera for my vloggings.
So you're gonna vlog, I'm gonna swim in the basement?
No, no more flooding in the basement, please. So in the box guys, there's the SONY a7c strap. This is the battery, which is very interesting because for the videos that I've watched on YouTube, they said the battery is long lasting and durable. Okay, that's the battery. It was packed, but I just took it off. We have, it's an AC adapter that you can use to charge your camera. I'm trying to make this as organized as I can, but I think there's no way. I don't know. This is my first unboxing, guys, so pardon me. So I guess this is the camera itself. Oh my god. Okay. So this is the camera, guys. It's so nice. It's actually lighter than the previous camera that I've been using. The camera is actually my mom's camera too. I get the silver color. You can see it's very nice.
It's nice.
So there's two colors for the SONY a7c. One is the black one and I picked the silver one because to me it looks like classic vintage color. This is how it looks like, guys. nice. It looks the same as what was shown in the picture. The only different thing about this is, I don't know what it's called, but it's actually on this side, which is very interesting because most of the cameras, it's in the middle. And there's the controls over here, which I'm gonna talk about it later when I get a hang of it. So for now, I'm just doing the unboxing. Honestly, I'm not so familiar with everything yet. I still need to study about the controls, how it works, the formats itself, and how I want my videos to be. Specifically, I always prefer to record 4K videos, so I'll probably make a review of the camera later on. So that's that. Since my husband got the SONY a7c kit, which already comes with the lens. So the lens that comes with it is called FE 4 to 5.6, 28 millimeter to 60 millimeter, which is also Sony. So this is how it looks like. And personally, I think with the camera and the lens together, I think it's actually really, honestly, lighter and smaller. I still have to study how to put on the lens itself. If you can see, it's actually small, but with all the reviews, I've done research about this camera and I think it's really a good camera for vlogging. And I think that's pretty much, those are the things that were inside the box. That was into the bigger box, which my husband's insisting that it was a PS5, and no. Okay, so as I've said, I'm not an expert. This is my first unboxing video, so there's always room for improvement. Practice makes perfect. So I'm so happy for my birthday gifts that came so early. Thank you so much for my husband for this present. I really appreciate it. You just don't know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my first unboxing vlog. If you have fun watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. I will try my best to answer your questions and your suggestions. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to hit the bell notification. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again and see you on my next vlog. Bye!